Hi, my name is Sonia Enriquez, Ludwick, and I have known Dr. Stan for more years than I care to reveal. I started coming to Dr. Stan because I was modeling and my teeth were less than perfect, and that smile is so important when you try to do television commercials and acting work, and I was trying to cross over. I had every problem you could possibly think of. I needed root canals, I needed teeth whitening, but you couldn't whiten them because they were stained with the tetracycline. I had very soft teeth, they were always breaking. I constantly needed to have them repaired, and I just wanted a better solution than the bonding. So Dr. Stan recommended that I get my full mouth done, which scared me, but he was so confident and so kind and so empathetic that I decided to trust him, and he went for it. He did my whole mouth in one session, and it was seamless. I had the most beautiful teeth when I woke up, and I just was so happy because it was like this incredible new smile, and they were shining and the perfect white.